Okay, conversions part 2. How many tablespoons are in 2 cups? You want to look at this first and see how many mLs are in 2 cups. So your conversion here is 1 cup is equals to 240 milliliters. So 240 milliliters times 2 is equals to 400 milliliters. Now we want to know how many tablespoons are in 480 milliliters. You know that 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 milliliters. So you're going to divide it by 15 milliliters over tablespoon. You know that milliliters cancel each other. You're going to divide 480 divided by 15 is equals 32. And then you have to put this as your end unit. So 32 tablespoons. So your answer should be 32 tablespoons. Okay, this one, it says medical doctor ordered 15 milligram by mouth 3 times a day for 5 days. Pharmacy has in stock 5 milligram per 5 ml of a medication. How many mLs do you give the patient? You gotta look at this sig and you have to calculate 15 times 3, because 3 times a day, times 5 days. The patient's going to take it for 5 days. So 15 times 3 times 5 is 225 milligram total the patient is taking per day. Okay? Now you're going to take what the pharmacy has in stock, 5 milligram over 5 milliliters, and you're going to figure out how many milliliters are in this 225. So you have to set it up. 225 milligram belongs here, and then x ml. You're going to cross multiply. 5 times x is 5x. 225 times 5, 225 times 5 is 1125. You're going to get x by itself, so you have to divide it by that number next to x, so that's 5. If you do it on this side, you must do it on this side. So that cancels out, and you're left with x. And then you're left with 225 milliliters. So total the patient's taking is 225 milliliters.